Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Iis Kusairi and I am the participant of PPK Daljab 2021 in Universitas Katolik Widya Mandala, Surabaya. And in this video, I would like to deliver a learning activities using Zoom. Thank you very much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Alright, good morning everyone. How are you today?
I'm fine,
I'm fine, sir.
Okay, that's good then. That's very good. Okay, today we are going to have a new topic. But before we start the topic, we are going to pray because we need to pray before we do something. Okay? Okay. Who wants to lead us to pray before we start the meeting? Before we start the lesson today? Salsabila? Do you want to lead us? No? Why? Or Claudia Adu? Claudia, where are you, Claudia?
yes, sir.
Okay. Can you turn on your camera? Okay, that's good. Can you lead us the prayer?
Yes.
Okay. We pray, yeah? Okay, please lead us the prayer.
Before we start our meeting, let's pray. Start. Finish.
Okay. All right. Thank you very much, everyone. Thank you for your attendance today. And we are going to start our lesson. And now, let me try to share something here. All right. All right, everyone. Can you see something on your screen?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. What do you see?
Picture.
A picture. What kind of picture is that?
Cat with a man.
Okay, a cat and a man. Okay. And okay, now we start the lesson. All right then. Yeah. Okay. How are you, Tio? How are you, Tio? Hello, Tio. Can you listen? Okay, that's good. Zulfikar, how are you, Zulfikar?
Fine, thanks.
Okay, good, good. Ivan, how are you, Ivan?
I'm fine, sir.
Okay, and everyone, how are you, everyone? Claudie, Subhan, Salsa, and Randy, how are you?
I'm fine,
I'm fine,
teacher.
sir.
Okay, that's good then. Yeah, okay, because we are in good condition, because you are in good condition, we should be grateful to God, and hopefully we are safe in this pandemic. And all right, yeah, I want to ask you guys, class, I want to ask you, what was our meeting in the previous? What was our meeting? What was the topic?
Poster
And
and
poster banner.
Poster and banner. Okay, okay, banner and poster. That's good. You still remember that. What do you know about poster and banner? Do you still remember that? About the social function, generic structure, and also language features. Hopefully you still remember that. Okay, and now this is the topic that we are going to be learning. Okay, a business letter. Okay, in bahasa we can say is surat resmi. Okay, business letter. A business letter is surat resmi in bahasa Indonesia. All right. Here Okay. Do you think if you want to send a letter or you receive a letter, is it important or not? Claudia Adu, maybe? Is it important sending letter? Salsabila, maybe? Or Rizky?
Important.
Okay, correspondence is important. Why do you think that correspondence is important?
Because we send some letter because it's important. Is if it's not important, we don't send it, right?
Okay, we don't send letter if it is not important, right? Okay. Okay, for everyone, for your business, is letter important?
To give information
To give information?
for business activities.
Okay, to give information about business activities. Very good. This is the benefit. Learning the topic. Wait, we can differentiate between personal letter and business letter and use them to support our activities. Very good. Okay, this is the benefit that we can get if we learn about business letter. Okay, and to know about business letter we also need to know about personal letter, and then we can differentiate them later on. Alright. This is the purpose of learning the topic. You are expected to be able to identify kinds of letters. So letter, you will need to, oh, this is a personal letter, oh, this is a business letter, something like that. And then identify business letter. Okay, for example, oh, this is complaint letter, this is recommendation letter. Okay, and then classify business letter based on the, wait a minute, the form of business letter. And the last, compose simple written business letter. Alright, is it clear everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay, what is personal letter? Do you know personal letter in bahasa?
Surat resmi.
Surat?
Surat pribadi.
Surat pribadi. Very good. Personal letter is surat pribadi in bahasa. So, what is personal letter? Do you think everyone?
A type of letter that usually concern
Mhm.
personal matters and
Okay.
is sent from one individual to another.
Very good. Very good. The letter that contains a personal thing. Okay. A personal letter is a type of letter that concern with personal thing, personal matter. Okay. So this is from individual to another individual. Okay. Is it clear everyone? What about if someone send from individual to institution? Is it personal letter or not?
Not.
No,
No. Okay, that's very good. So, then the question is, what is business letter?
Letter
A letter used by a organization to
Mhm.
convey written information in relation to the conduct of business activities.
Okay, that's very good. That's very good. So, if the personal letter is individual to individual and business letter is not individual to individual, it can be from institution to other institution or institution to personal or individual to company or institution. Okay. Right. A personal letter is a type of letter that concern professional matters and sent from one institution to another or vice versa. Is it clear everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. Before we continue, before we okay, before we continue, I want to ask you something. What is Wait, I will. Okay. What is personal letter then? I hope you still remember that. What is personal letter?
Personal letter is letters containing personal interest.
Very good. A letter containing personal interest, personal matter, personal thing. Very good. What is business letter?
A letter from individual to institute
Very good. That
or company.
contains. Okay, very good. Or company that contains.
Contains about business.
Okay, contains about business or professional matter. Very good. You still remember that. Now everyone, look at this. Please analyze this letter. What letter is it, do you think?
Personal letter.
Personal letter. Alright, are you sure that this is a kind of personal letter?
Yes.
Why? Why do you think that is this a personal letter?
Because Aurora is an individual
Aurora is individual. Okay.
and Mia too.
Alright. Who is Aurora? The sender or recipient?
The recipient,
Okay. Who is the sender?
Mia.
Where is Aurora?
In Paris.
In Paris. Okay, very good. What about this one? Can one of you read this letter? Rizky? Hello Rizky? Okay. Or Supahan, can you read?
Thank you very much for your last letter. It was great to hear from you after so many months.
Mhm.
You seem to happiness in Korea.
Very good. Thank you very much. Thank you very much for your last letter. It was great to hear from you after so many months. You seem to be having a nice time in Korea. Alright, thank you very much, Ivan. Okay, so Ivan, can I ask you something, Ivan? What letter is it? Hello, Ivan. What letter is it? Is it personal letter or a business letter?
Personal letter.
Okay, it is a personal letter. That's good. How do you know that this is a personal letter?
Because it's sent from the individual to
Mhm.
individual.
Okay, because it is shared from individual to individual. Who answered that? Siapa tadi yang jawab ya? That's very good.
Randy.
Randy, okay. Thank you, Randy. Very good. So, so this is individual or personal letter because it is from individual to individual. My question is that to Theo. Theo, who is the recipient? Rizky Wulan, who is the recipient?
Dimas.
Dimas, very good. Don't be afraid, everyone. Jawab aja ya, nggak usah takut. Take it easy. And who is the writer of the letter?
Alika.
Very good. This is the generic structure of business letter. Okay. Here we go. Number one is, Theo, please read the generic structure of business letter. Number one is
Letter, yeah.
letterhead. Number two is number two, Theo.
That
Date. Very good. Number three, Ivan.
president address.
Okay, recipient address. Number four, Rizky. Reference line. Very good. Number six, everyone. Supahan.
Salutation and name.
Okay, salutation and name. Number the next, Sulfikar. Okay, your microphone please. Okay. Body.
Body.
Okay, that's very good. And then closure, signature, and title, and enclosure. Okay,
Enclosure.
let's very good. Let's try number 1. Head. Letter head. Okay. Identity containing logo. In
Name of
bahasa, okay, in bahasa we say kop surat. Do you understand that? There is a logo, there is also
name of
name of institution, and then
Address.
address, phone, and
the
the
sender
sender of the letter. That's very good. This is the example. You can see, right? Okay. Next, wait a minute. Next is date. Okay, date is part of the letter informing when.
when the letter is ready.
Yeah, you can see this, right? You can see this, right? The red line. Do you see the red line?
Yes.
Yeah, this is the date. Okay. About the letterhead, this is the letterhead. Okay, the red line. Letterhead, kop surat. Okay. The next recipient address. What is recipient?
Part
Of the letter containing
Letter
when
is
the
from-
letter is for.
Okay, who is the letter for? To Mr. Jordan Mason. This is the name of the recipient, and then the address. Okay. Next, alternative part of the recipient. This is the reference line. Nah. Okay, do you understand, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay, go back. Salutation.
Greeting and the person name sender is greeting to.
Okay, okay. Dear sir, this is greeting and the person's name. The sender is writing to. Okay. What is the next?
The main part of the letter, it includes what the sender wants to write to other person or institution.
Alright. The main part of the letter. Okay. Atau isi surat in bahasa. Okay. Okay. Alright. Yeah. This is the body. Next, closer.
The part indicates the letter is going to end.
Yes. Paragraf penutup. Ya. Okay, do you understand that, everyone? Yeah, paragraf penutup. The last paragraph or closure, the part indicates the letter is going to end. Okay. Next. Okay. Signature or initials of the writer. Alright. The last one, enclosure. What is enclosure? What is enclosure?
Information of the letter.
Yeah. What do you understand about enclosure? Lampiran.
Lampiran.
Yes. In bahasa we say it. Sorry. In bahasa we say it lampiran. Okay. Okay. Now, business letter have some types. Number 1 is
Letter of transmittal.
okay, and then
Letter of inquiry.
letter of inquiry, then
Letter
Letter
of
of
complaint.
complaint.
and then
Letter of application.
okay, good. Letter of
Order.
Order and letter of
recommendation.
recommendation. Okay. Now we try to know one by one. Letter of transmittal. What is that?
Letter that is sent with another type of document.
All right. Thank you. Uh, a business letter that is sent with
With
another separate type of document. What do you understand about this? A business letter that is sent with another separate type of documents. What do you understand? Do you understand this? No? Do you know attachment? Do you know enclosure? Lampiran. Okay, so letter of transmittal is business letter with attachment. Do you understand that?
Yes.
Yeah. If you get a letter, there are so many attachment, there are so many enclosure. That is letter of transmittal. Jadi kalau ada kalian terima surat, terus suratnya itu ada banyak lampiran, lampiran 1, lampiran 2, lampiran 3, seperti itu namanya surat. That's very good. Wait a minute. Okay, next is letter of inquiry. What is this?
A business letter for of asking for something, jobs, product, service from the recipient.
All right then. This is very important in business letter. Okay. Can you give me example? A letter of inquiry is a business letter for the purpose of asking for something. It can be asking for job. That is inquiry. Asking for product. That is inquiry. Asking for service. That is inquiry. Yeah, from the recipient. Example. For example, if you want to buy product, you need a catalog, right? Is it correct?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Okay. So if you need a catalog, what do you do?
See the product.
You write a letter to
Write a letter.
company. Yeah, you write a letter to company asking for
Inquiry.
catalog
Of the product.
Yeah, asking for catalog of the product. And your letter is inquiry letter. Okay? Do you understand or not? In bahasa like this, in bahasa. Okay, I will say it in bahasa. Surat inquiry itu surat permintaan. Oke, minta katalog, minta informasi produk. Nah, jadi kalau kalian minta minta katalog, minta informasi produk ke perusahaan, surat kalian itu dinamakan surat inquiry.
Inquiry.
Yeah. So do you understand that right now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. If you understand, please make your own word. What is inquiry letter?
Product order letter.
A type of letter. asking for catalog, for example. Okay, is it clear, everyone? Hello, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Okay, let us continue. Let us continue. There are two types of letter. Do you know that? What are they?
Personal letter and
Letter of
business letter.
transmittal.
Yeah, come on. There are two types of letter. Number one.
Personal letter and business letter.
Okay, very good. Personal letter and business letter. My next question is that, what is personal letter?
Personal letter is a type of letter that confronts professional matters.
Personal letter? A letter that?
Personal letter is letter from individual to another individual.
Alright. Personal letter is a letter
That concern
that concern
personal matters.
personal matters. Okay, sent from individual to
Another.
another individuals. That is good. The next, what is business letter?
Business letter is a type of letter that concern professional matters and is sent from one institution to another.
Okay, very good. Sorry, business letter is the letter which concerns professional matter and sent from
One institution.
one institution to another institution or institution to personal or individual to
Institution.
institution.
Company or institution.
What about if individual to individual? Is it a business letter?
No.
No. Very good. Do you remember how many kinds of business letter?
Yes.
We have in the business letter?
Letter of transmittal.
Letter of transmittal. Number 2.
Letter of complaint.
Letter of complaint. Next.
Letter of application.
Letter of application.
Letter of inquiry.
Letter of inquiry.
Letter of recommendation and
Letter of recommendation. And then
letter of order.
letter of
Order.
order. Letter of, and then what else? Letter of
Transmittal.
transmittal. Ya, it has been said. Sudah disebut tadi. Letter of
Complaint application.
application. Ya. Okay. Alright. Then here it is. I would like to share again. Oh, sorry. Now, everyone, I would like to give you many questions, and you need to answer that. Okay? Is it clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Let me share my question. Let me share my screen. Wait. Please wait. Oh, sorry. Wait. Can you see the screen?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, I can.
Okay. Quiz. Okay. Now everyone, please look at this letter. What kind of letter is this?
Personal letter.
Personal letter.
Are you sure that this is a kind of personal letter?
That is business letter.
Is this business letter or personal letter?
Business
Personal letter.
Personal letter. Are you sure?
Yeah. Yes.
Okay, okay, alright, personal letter. Why do you think that this is a personal letter?
Because it's sent from individual to individual.
How do you know this is from individual to individual?
Talita is individual and Vivin is individual.
How do you know that Talita is individual and Vivin is individual? Good answer, good answer. Because
Because the concern is you and I. That is personal.
yeah, the concern is personal matter because using you and I. Not only that, the concern is personal because is there any business thing? Is there any professional thing?
No.
No. What does this letter tell you?
Personal.
What does this letter tell you? Surat ini cerita tentang apa sih emang?
Traveling.
Traveling. Right? Going a trip. Where? Traveling to what place?
In Bali.
In Bali. How do you know? Oh yeah, this is right. Go to beach. Alright then. So this is business letter, right?
No.
No. So this is
Personal.
personal letter. Okay, that's very good. Who wrote the letter?
Vivin.
How do you know that Vivin is the writer of the letter?
Yeah. In footer. This name
Right. The name in the footer is
Vivin.
Vivin. Business letter can be used for what? Promoting product, ordering product, telling places visited in Bali, or complaining and returning the product.
Telling place visit in Bali.
Okay, promoting product is a business letter or individual letter?
Business letter.
Business letter. Ordering the product,
Business letter.
telling place in Bali,
Personal letter.
personal letter. Complaining and returning the product. Okay,
Yes, letter.
very good. Next, what kind of letter is this? Next, what kind of letter is this?
Business
Business letter.
Business letter.
Business letter or personal letter?
Business
Business
letter.
letter.
How do you know?
That is letter of recommendation.
Oh, this is a recommendation letter.
Yes.
How do you know that this is a letter of recommendation?
Because in that body,
Strong recommended action.
Okay. It is my pleasure to strongly recommend Asna Singhania for the blah blah blah. That is a recommendation letter. So this is business letter, right?
Yes.
Okay. Beside that, why do you think that this is a business letter? Beside this one, beside recommendation, how do you know?
Because the letterhead concern identity name
Very
of institution.
good. Very good.
phrase line, and
Because there is, yeah, very good. Because there is a letterhead. Okay. Beside that, there is as our project manager, the name of the company Asomtech Solution. This is a business or professional matter. Later, you will create business letter when the class is over. As your homework, create business letter contains opening, body, and closing. Okay? Later, I will inform you in WhatsApp group. Now, before we end this one, we have practice doing a quiz, and then now I want you to make a conclusion. What you learned today?
we learn about the difference between personal letters and business letters, generic
Learn about
structure,
kind of
and
business
kind of
letters.
business letters.
All right then. Okay. So my question then, how many letters? How many kind of letter?
5 kind.
How many types? How many kind of letter?
2, 5.
Two types. Number one.
Yes.
Number one.
Personal letter,
And then
business letter.
business letter. Okay. What is personal letter?
Personal letter is letter from individual to individual.
Mm-hmm.
The letter
Okay.
concern personal matter.
Okay. A letter concern a personal matter that is sent from individual to individual. Very good.
Another
What about business letter?
That concern professional matters and is sent from
And
one
is sent from
to another.
institution.
Very good. Very good. Very good. All right. The next one is that can you tell me kind of business letter?
Letter of transmittal,
Letter of
letter of
transmittal.
inquiry,
Okay,
Letter
good.
of
Inquiry.
inquiry,
letter of complaint,
Letter of complaint.
letter of application,
Letter of application. And then
letter of order,
letter of order. And then
letter of recommendation.
letter of recommendation. Very good. Next one is that can you tell me what is a transmittal letter?
Transmittal letter is a business letter that is sent with
another separate type
another
of
spirit
documents.
type.
Yeah, the key is another type of separate documents. All right, thank you very much, everyone. This is the end of our meeting, and do not forget to do the homework. A homework that I have given to you. I will also share the homework in WhatsApp group. You will have to do the you need to create a business letter and then send to WhatsApp group. And then the next meeting we are going to have deeper about another type of letter. Okay? Alright, thank you very much. That is the end of the class. Thank you also for giving the conclusion. And now, one of you, Randy, can you lead us the prayer before we end the class?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Everyone, please sit down properly. We will pray. Duduk yang baik dulu. Kita mau berdoa. Then after that we can leave the group. We can leave the forum. Okay.
Attention, please. Let's pray together. Finish.
Okay. Thank you very much for joining the class today. Thank you, everyone. Julfikar, thank you very much for joining the class. Thank you, Ivan. Thank you, Salsabila. Thank you, Randy, Dio, Subhan, Claudia, Rizky. Thank you very much, all of you, everyone.